My name is Scott Campbell with Bentley's Technical Support Team. Are you interested in calculating the scenario energy costs for the pressure subnetworks in your pressure sewer system? The scenario energy cost feature will do just that. It is available in the implicit and explicit solvers with SewerGEMS and CivilStorm, as well as the GVF convex solver that is included with SewerGEMS and SewerCAD. This video will briefly walk through the steps involved in setting this up. More detailed information can be found in the wiki on our community site called Using the Energy Cost Scenario Tool in SewerGEMS, SewerCAD, and CivilStorm. First, we need to open up the Energy Cost tool. From that, you can go to the Analysis tab and then choose Energy Costs. This opens up the Scenario Energy Cost Manager. The next step will be to choose the scenario that you want to use. In this case, we're going to use a scenario called Existing Dry. You see all of the other scenarios for this particular model are also listed. In the Pumps tab, we're going to see the pumps that are available in the system. There's also an Energy Pricing tab, which is where the energy pricing information is going to be selected. To create the energy pricing, you would just click in this cell and click the ellipsis button here, and this opens up a new manager called Energy Pricing. Here we already have one energy pricing set up. If you wanted to create another, you would just click the new button here. Then you would select the tariff type. There's two that are available, time of day and constant. Here we have a time of day one, which basically runs through a pattern over the course of a 24-hour period. You can see the graph of that pricing here. With an energy pricing already set up, we'll just go ahead and close this. And then from the pull-down menu, we can go ahead and select it. We'll just do this for each one of our pumps. After selecting the energy pricing, we want to make sure to include any pumps that we want in the energy calculation. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do all three. With that done, we just need to compute. There are a number of different kinds of results that are going to be available. First, you can go to the Summary tab to see an overall example of the results that are available for all of the pumps in the system. This is going to be including the energy usage, the volume of flow, the energy cost, etc. In the pump usage table, slightly more detailed information, including the water power, the efficiency, and the water-to-wire efficiency for the pumps. Here we can see there's only results for one pump. That's because only a single pump is actually running during this particular scenario. For the pump time details, you can go in and see what the overall results are across the entire time. These results are going to include things like flow, volume, wire power, the energy used, both incremental and cumulative, and as the energy cost. This is going to be for all pumps, for all time steps. If you wanted to see a breakdown of what individual pumps are doing, you could just click on the individual pumps listed here. Here we've clicked on pump A42, and you'll notice that there is no results. That's because this pump is not actually on during the simulation. The only pump that is on is the A41, so we'll go ahead and select that. And here we'll see very similar results to what we saw in the pump time details. We see the pump flow, pump head at given times, as well as the energy cost and efficiency information here. It's also possible to graph these results. By clicking the Graph tab, you can see a number of different items that you can choose from. Something as simple as pump flow, which you can also get just by graphing out of the actual drawing. But you can also go in and directly look at things like pump efficiency. You can see the incremental energy used, which, this is individual time steps, how much energy. But you can also see the energy that's used over time, which is going to be a little bit more of a steady graph that increases. Information on energy cost analysis and much more can be found in the Hydraulics and Hydrology section of Bentley Communities. Thank you for your time.